Good morning, my love.
Are you cold?
Yeah, it's cold. It's freezing cold.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
As you can see, we are surrounded by stunning scenery and nature.
Yeah, we're in Wales today.
Yes, and we want to go to a beautiful waterfall called Pistyll Rhaeadr.
Yeah.
And we will link it for you down below in case you want to check it out. It's supposed to be the most beautiful waterfall in Wales, I believe.
Yeah.
I think about 73 meters high and stunning. We came here before, I think about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Only today, it's a lot colder. I think it's 3 degrees Celsius. But it's beautiful, I think, as long as you move.
And very quiet.
Very quiet, yeah. We think this is what all of us need now.
Yeah.
Like peace, quiet, beauty, and we hope you enjoy it. And look, the sun is out. Isn't this just glorious? So, so beautiful. Isn't the waterfall just stunning? We said we just go up first and then film it from above. We're on a little hike.
Yeah.
And now, is there some sort of trail that you chose? Or
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Does it have a name?
No, it's just along the ridge.
Yeah. And as you can see, this is paradise for walking and just enjoy nature. The only thing that I haven't spotted here, sheep.
No.
I'm looking for sheep to film.
None.
There must be some.
So what we will do is, there's a small bridge there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we'll just walk up
This little
the
hill?
hill
Yeah.
to the ridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the ridge back there.
Yeah. And we hope to get a very nice view towards the waterfall.
Yes. And then we'll walk in back again.
I will walk back then?
Yes, we have
Okay.
to.
Yeah. Why not? Look, there's snow. Tiny, tiny bits of snow.
Yeah.
That's what's left. I fancy a cup of tea.
Yeah.
I think we need one. We need to find some shelter
Oh, yes.
and then enjoy a cuppa. So this is the bridge. Look how beautiful it is here. But there is one problem. Yuck. So there's a fence, yeah?
Yes. And I'm not sure if we're allowed to walk through.
I mean, it would be, we could easily walk over it,
Yeah.
but if there is a fence,
Yeah.
it must be private
No,
property.
and there's no clear path.
No. So we don't do it.
Yeah, so we'll just
We
head
walk.
back.
Yeah, we walk back. But the view from here,
Is amazing.
oh yeah. Stunning. Absolutely gorgeous.
So,
Time for a little break. So, tomatoes, easy peelers, bread. Is that bread or toast?
it's toast.
So gluten-free toast. Ooh, what's that?
That's a
Ciabatta?
ciabatta roll with olives.
And, of course, tea.
Yeah. And some sausages.
Are they German sausages?
No, they're Polish.
Ah. Nice. When the sun is
Yeah.
out, it's very nice, I think. We have a little table here.
Yeah.
Cheers. Feels good.
Cold. Let's give a shuffle.
I know shuffle dance, but not like this. This is very difficult, in fact. What is that? Huh?
Don't know, me being crazy.
I'm cold. Ooh. I think my hair's wet.
When I was filming at the waterfall, Kirsten wanted to get it from a different angle, and she went down a path and fell.
Yeah.
She's quite shaken now.
Yeah. It was especially because you weren't there.
No.
And I fell on the back, but and not on my head, but still I have such a headache now. But you said it's probably because it was like it came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, there were like slippery stones, and I'm always so afraid of stones, especially when they're kind of wet. And we just passed a fish and chips shop. Do you call it shop? And we said, let's just stop there
and have something.
Yeah, because I don't know. would love to have stayed there a little bit longer, but I just wanted to leave after the incident. Never happened before. Well,
Let's have some fish and chips.
yeah.
And then it will be all fine.
I hope so.
It will be.
The shop looks it looks cute.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's go there and then it will be fine. That's it. Market Square, traditional fish and chips. So this is the village of Yuck.
I can't pronounce it.
Rhaeadr.
I can't pronounce it.
I don't know.
For me, it's in German Buchstabensalat. It's heavy.
Yeah, let's have a look. I want to see it.
Oh, yeah.
Looks great. Look at this. It's huge. It's huge. It's good.
Yeah.
Very good. I think I recovered a little bit from before.
Yeah, better now.
Yeah, and fish and chip shop is good.
Yeah.
So, well, that was a coincidence that we stumbled upon it.
We just saw a sign.
Yeah, and we will check out the village name again and just add it in the video. Yeah, we're heading home now. Probably the video is quite short, but we will start traveling again in March.
Yeah.
Simply because in January and February, so many places are still closed.
And it's simply too cold to go.
Yeah, and I think like National Trust places, the houses, they close, most of the houses close in winter for restoration work.
And to get cleaned.
Exactly, yeah. But I think we made some lovely plans for the year.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've got a long list of things we want to do this
And
year.
the list goes on and on.
Yeah.
It's just, it gets longer, I think.
Yeah. There's so many places we want to see.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we hope you like the video and stay tuned for more.
Yeah. Take care.
Take care. Until next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.